Okay, welcome everybody to the VS Tech testing grounds. I got a battery in today from a company that wants me to test out their load and starting abilities of their new lithium-ion 100 amp hour battery. So we get to open it up today. Get out my excellent little Leatherman Wave, best knife available for anything. Let's see what they gave us. Alright, a little bit of foam here. A little bit of popped bubbles. Not a lot of packing. Guess they're confident that the battery will survive shipping. Let me flip it over. A lot of flat battery. Lithium Leisure battery by LiLead. Lithium lead? Anyway, Lithium Leisure battery. Looks like it comes with charging chart. Here's all the details it comes with. Activate your warranty. Visit LiLead Limited. 10-year warranty. Alright, let's flip this over and get it out of the back box. Well, first impressions, it's small, it's light, but it makes a clunk when you tilt it. There's definitely something moving around inside. So it's not very stable. Has brass terminals, positives, 2 positives and 2 negatives. 12 volt, 800 amp, 110 amp hour, 1350 watt hour, sealed battery, do not open. Well, we're going to break that out. Comes with Allen keys. There's a lot of dirt on the, I think that might be just cardboard dust. I'm not sure. Looks like a nice battery. We'll get to testing it next.